Hello and welcome to Take a Bite. Today I am going to show you a stuffed dal dhokli recipe which is very popular in Gujarat, and in Marathi language it is known as varanfal, and I will call it as Indian ravioli. So it is very healthy and comfort food in winters. So we will need 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of gram flour or besan, or you can take the makke ka atta also, that is easily available in winters. And salt to taste, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, water to knead the dough, pinch of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder. So now let's make a dough for making the dhokli. So here I am adding all the ingredients one by one. And we will need the soft dough. We do not want the tough dough for it. Let's make the dry ingredient first and add little by little water and knead the dough. So we need a soft dough. Adding little by little water, and here I have added 1 teaspoon of oil, and we will make a smooth dough, and we will keep the dough aside for about 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes we will stuff them. And now let's see what we will need for making the stuffing. So here I have taken 1 boiled big potato, 1/4 cup of boiled peas, amchur powder, some dhania powder, garam masala, red chili flakes, salt to taste, and roasted cumin powder. All the details of each the ingredients and its quantity will be given in the description box down below, so do check it out. So here I am mashing the potato. We want the soft batter so that it cannot come out while we stuff it. And now we will mix all the ingredients, adding the mashed peas, salt, dhania powder, amchur powder, garam masala, roasted cumin and chili flakes. You can use the green chilies finely chopped instead of the red chili flakes, and now we will mix it really well. Here I will use my hands to incorporate it each and every ingredients really well. So the stuffing is now ready. For tempering the dal, we will use the oil 2 tablespoons, or you can take the ghee also, mustard seeds and 1 stick of cinnamon, few dashes of asafoetida or hing, 10 to 12 curry leaves, 3 to 4 red chilies, 1 cut onion and 1 cut tomato, few peanuts, haldi powder or turmeric powder. Here I have taken the tamarind paste. Instead you can use the kokum if you have it. Salt to taste, jaggery powder and cut coriander. So all the details of each ingredients and its quantity is in the description box. Do check it out for exact measurement. So now we will temper the dal. So for that I have added the oil, and once the oil is heated up we will add all our masalas, and adding red chilies and adding the peanuts, and now we have to stir it and cook it for about 30 seconds. Now after that I have added the onion, and we have to cook the onion till it becomes translucent, and after that we will add the salt, and now we will add, once the onion is done, we will add tomato, 1 chopped tomato, and we don't have to cook the tomatoes for long. And now added the turmeric powder, adding tamarind, or you can use the kokum also if you have, jaggery powder to balance the sourness. And now I have added the cooked dal. 1 cup of dal I have taken, that is the tur dal, and I have cooked in 2 cups of water, and now I have added the tur dal, and now we will mix it really well, adding the water. So 1 cup cooked dal I have, and I have added 3 cups of water to it. We want the thin consistency so that we can cook our dumplings inside. And now let's make the dhokli. For that I have taken out the ball size dough, and now we have to roll it out. And now we will roll out in a rectangular shape. We don't want the thickness to be too thin or too thick, and we will make the same size chapati like this, and we will take another ball and roll it out another pair for it. And here I am making the same size of chapati. We want a rectangular shape so that we can cut our dumplings very easily. Now these two are ready. So on one we will put our stuffing like this, adding half a teaspoon of stuffing, and this is the easiest method I found, and it is less time consuming also. So, and now we will put our second rolled chapati over, and we will press it so that it cannot come out, and like this. And now with the help of the pizza cutter I will cut it out in a desired shape. You can make any shape out of it, and take out the extras like this. And now I am using the fork, and I'll press the edges so that when we will put these dumplings into the dal, it cannot come out. So this is now ready, and likewise, and this is another way I'm showing. What you can do is roll out the dough and cut out the circles like this, and now we will cut the circles. Take out the circles, cut portions, and now we will take one cut circle, adding some stuffing, and now we will put another pair over it, and now we will use a fork and we will press it like this so that again the stuffing cannot come out. So this way you can make the dumplings. So now our dal is boiling. Keep in mind your dal should be at the boiling stage when you drop the dumplings. So once you will add the dumpling, they will settle at the bottom. Once they cook, they will come or float on the top. So here I am adding all the dumplings, and now after 10 to 12 minutes I have cooked it on medium flame, and now they are done. So switching off the gas and making the tadka for it. So here I have added 1 tablespoon of ghee, or you can use the oil also. Now we will add the cumin seeds and added the garlic. Generous amount of garlic you can add, and if you don't eat the garlic, just omit this stage. And after that we will add the red chili powder. Instead you can use the green chilies or red chilies. I'm here using the red chili powder. Lower the temperature and then add the red chili powder. And now I'm taking out the dhoklis in a serving bowl. So now these dhoklis are ready. We will serve it with the tempering what we have made. This tastes amazing. You try this recipe once at home. And now garnishing it with the coriander leaves, and serve it with the wedge of the lemon and onions. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to take a bite. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay hungry.